Product type: auto part. Item package weight: 0.1 pounds. Item package dimension: 3.94 L x 3.45 W x 3.45 H. Country of origin: Taiwan, Province of China. Since 1918, we have been the automotive aftermarket's pioneering problem solvers. We have released thousands of parts and components that people could once only buy from original equipment manufacturers. By always innovating, we have led the way in growing the aftermarket, providing more opportunity to individuals and businesses who depend on automotive maintenance. That's why our catalog includes more than 80,000 products and grows every year. Top reviews from the United States. Good replacement for OEM. Replaced this part for my dad on his pickup. Took about 30 seconds to a minute. A flathead screwdriver or key will help. It is a good product if OEM is broken. Side note, don't have 3 guys over 250 pounds each sit on your tailgate going along a field. That's why the factory one wore out. Otherwise you shouldn't need to ever replace this.